Ever tried making an AI character talk and it looked, well, kind of off? Today we're fixing that. I'm going to show you how to combine AI-generated voices with lip sync, and we'll see which tools deliver. Voice, speech, and lip sync aren't just about sound. They're about believability. The right combination can bring your AI characters to life, whether it's for storytelling, explainer videos, music videos, or even podcasts. Today, we'll look at ElevenLabs for the voice and 2 lip sync tools, HeyGen's Avatar V video and VisionStory AI. But first, let's come up with an interesting character to bring to life. Let's use Midjourney to generate a Gambit-inspired character. Nice! He looks pretty good. Now let's give him a voice with ElevenLabs. For speech generation, let's use ElevenLabs. Let's use a multilingual V2 model. This lets us adjust various aspects of the speech, like stability, which controls consistency across takes. Similarity, how close future clips stay to the original voice. Style exaggeration adds emotion and character. Speed controls pacing, which could also affect lip sync. Play around with these and see what works for you. Okay, let's listen to what we got.
Yeah. Started with poker cards, but I got creative. Tarot when I felt mystical. Uno when I wanted chaos. Business cards when I really wanted to ruin someone's day. You haven't lived till you've taken down a villain with a charged loyalty punch card from a sandwich shop.
Oh, this sounds good. I can already imagine what it would be like when the video of this comes out. What's important here is not just how the voice sounds, but how expressive it is when he speaks. More expressiveness will also drive the facial expression and realism when we move into lip sync later. Next, let's use the image we created with Midjourney and the audio clip from ElevenLabs and put it in HeyGen. We'll create an Avatar 4 video. This is their premium option for lip sync. Hit generate. Let's look at it.
Yeah. Started with poker cards, but I got creative. Tarot when I felt mystical. Uno when I wanted chaos. Business cards when I really wanted to ruin someone's day. You haven't lived till you've taken down a villain with a charged loyalty punch card from a sandwich shop.
Wow. As you can see, the mouth movement and emotional nuance are pretty good here. The expressiveness of the ElevenLabs voice really shows up in the character's face. Next, let's try the same on VisionStory. Same image, same ElevenLabs audio. Okay, let's see what we get.
Yeah. Started with poker cards, but I got creative. Tarot when I felt mystical. Uno when I wanted chaos. Business cards when I really wanted to ruin someone's day. You haven't lived till you've taken down a villain with a charged loyalty punch card from a sandwich shop.
Oh, not quite there. Lip movements is off, and the character's face has totally changed. So in this case, HeyGen is obviously better. But let me show you a couple generations I did in the past.
47 hours straight on a stormy deck, and a mop, because he bled like a whale harpooner mid-shanty.
So, I've been watching human tattoo videos online, and I gotta ask, why do half of them scream like they're giving birth through their arm?
The Dragon Lady character and the alien. For this kind of character, VisionStory is good enough. Fantasy or alien characters where perfection maybe isn't as critical, and you want to save on cost. But when it comes to realistic features, HeyGen is definitely the better choice. So here's my takeaway. If you want realism and more vocal expressiveness, go with ElevenLabs paired with HeyGen Avatar IV video. If you're making fantasy characters, VisionStory can be a decent option. But remember, it's very important that the voice you choose matches your character. It will also shape the facial expressions and overall believability. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools and creative workflows. And let me know in the comments, which combo would you use for your own AI characters? Until next time, keep creating and keep experimenting.